Forecast.
How about a nice peaceful view from Silver Mill Lake there in Dayton? A nice reflection there from the barn, and that was captured by Patty Dove here on this somewhat overcast day. And we did have some showers, and certainly the big news is we had cooler temperatures. Now, obviously the big story is the ongoing drought. It's worsened in the Shenandoah Valley with now extreme drought through much of Augusta, Rockingham, right along the Blue Ridge. As we move into central Virginia, still severe drought. Moderate drought continues farther east along the Route 15 corridor, and really we're about 3 to 8 inches behind. We're in the summertime. We rely on afternoon and evening thunderstorms for the most part, unless we have some widespread system that brings rain. And usually in the summertime and going into the fall, you kind of rely on tropical systems. We don't have anything immediately, but hopefully next week, just the idea that we have daily opportunities for rain is a little better than ongoing heat wave with very little rain. So that's what we're looking at in the short term. And you can see rain chances are going to be with us not only this weekend, but much of next week. So that's a little bit of encouragement. And this is a model's depiction taking us out through Tuesday of potential rainfall amounts. Of course, it will vary, but maybe ½ an inch to 1.5 inches with some localized amounts over 2. Of course, any storm can produce locally higher amounts of rainfall. 84 was the high today. Right now, 81 at the airport in Earlysville. 81 was the high today at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Right now, 79 in Stanton, 82 in Livingston, 80 there in Dillwyn, and 82 in Orange. The dew points, which measure the moisture in the atmosphere, are lowering, at least temporarily. We have a front that's off to our south and east, and you can see those higher numbers, Richmond, Norfolk, in the 70s. That's where we were yesterday. So again, a little break from the humidity later tonight and into tomorrow. We have a few showers out there, a little bit of some thunder through Nelson County. The strongest activity is working through Amherst, but you can see here as we zoom in, Livingston, Massey's Mill, down the 151 and 29 corridor and Route 56, some showers there, and some lighter showers here just west of Harrisonburg along the Route 42 corridor. We did have a few showers midday, but the bigger storms are down across Southside Virginia, southeastern Virginia, and into eastern North Carolina, Raleigh, Elizabeth City, and headed toward the coast. And essentially that's where the front will remain stationary here for tonight. Temperatures will have a chance to fall into the 60s. That's some good news. For tomorrow, mid to upper 80s, mix of sun and clouds, lower humidity, a little pleasant, largely dry. And then a good chance of rain right now Saturday morning till about midday. Clouds will hold the temperatures down. It'll still remain humid. And then Sunday, a hit or miss shower thunderstorm, but renewed chances for daily opportunities next week. So a front's off to our south and east. It'll start to bow north this weekend, bringing us a chance of some showers and storms. Tonight, things will quiet down. We'll have overnight lows settling into the 60s as we start our Friday. And then again, a little less humid here during the day, temperatures mid to upper 80s. But here we are by Saturday morning. We already start to see some rain breaking out. Could be a little bit more widespread Saturday morning, midday before it kind of tapers off, but the clouds will likely hold the temperatures down throughout the course of the day in the upper 70s and lower 80s. So a stray shower here tonight, temperatures in the 60s, partly to variably cloudy skies. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. No 90s or heat waves as going into the weekend or next week. That's some good news. And again, we do have some daily opportunities for rain.